Currently at the moment I am doing my level 3 in Sustainable Resource Management. I've completed my level 2 and I am also going to be trying to go for my level 4, which is where I want to head towards like a managerial role. I wouldn't want to work anywhere else. It's my first real job and I wouldn't want to work anywhere else. I love it here. It's like a big massive family. Everyone gets on with everyone. It's completely changed me as a person to how I was 4 years ago to where I am now. At this point in my life, it's completely different, completely different.
Apprenticeship just appealed to me because of the ability to get the experience of on-the-job training as well as getting all the qualifications I need. So getting a bit of everything to build the career I want to build. Massive highlight is just coming into work every day and enjoying it and loving what I do, loving problem solving, and just I like coming to work, I really do. I'd be absolutely chuffed to win an award and get the recognition of winning this Apprentice of the Year. It'd mean a lot to be really happy.
There were numerous reasons why I chose the apprenticeship, namely to develop my management and leadership skills and to develop my communication and my personal development. I think the biggest highlight of my experience so far is actually being appointed in the Principal OT post, because that was something I wouldn't even have applied for or thought about prior to doing the apprenticeship.